Let's see how to unblock someone on Facebook on your iPhone. So here I have the Facebook app, and let's say I have someone that I blocked, right? You just need to come here to profile and the three dots on the top, or here on the left side, you see these three dots. That's my case, depending on the iOS that you have. And from here, you come to settings and privacy, and then settings. And from here, you just come down until you find this audience and visibility. And here you see blocking. And from here, you can see all the people that are blocked here on your Facebook. You just need to come here on unblock, tap on it, and confirm that you're unblocking this person, right? Just hit here unblock, and you're good to go. This person is back to your Facebook list. So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can unblock somebody on Facebook on your iPhone. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.